I'm going to prune the branches that are damaged, diseased, and dead, and also those branches that are growing downward. The tools that I'm going to use are lopper and pruner. I have decided to cut the whole branch because it's looking bad at the back. Those branches that are in the middle of the tree have to go so that air can pass through to limit disease. Dead branches are those brown in color. Those have to go. This is a peach tree, and peach trees form fruits on 1-year-old wood, meaning those vigorous growth from last growing season. We are now in 2026, so last year's growth 2025 are those branches or wood that are going to form the fruits like this. They are pink in color. I've retained this one just till the summer after giving me the fruits. I just shortened some of the big branches, not all of them, for the reason that in my place it gets windy in the spring, so the blossoms and developing fruits are knocked off, and I have also to share the fruits with the birds. After harvesting the fruits this growing season, I'm going to trim those big branches. I retain most of the fruit-bearing branches because in the spring there are lots of storm, especially the last frost where it's so windy, causing the blooms and fruits to drop. I made a small canal around the trunk of the tree, about 18 to 24 inches. This is the area where I'm going to put my triple 13 fertilizer. Give it a good watering.